Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and what better way to celebrate than with delicious and nutrient-packed snacks? Today, we're sharing fun and easy snack ideas that give your body long-lasting energy while making your taste buds happy. Ready? Let's dive in and make some memories together! Don't forget to subscribe and join the fun. Let's get started! Berry heart kebabs, thread strawberries, raspberries, and bananas onto skewers for a vitamin-packed treat. Strawberries have vitamin C, which helps with skin and tissue repair. Yogurt-dipped strawberries. Coat fresh strawberries in calcium-rich yogurt and freeze them for a cool, creamy treat. Nut-free energy bites. Combine oats, sunflower seed butter, and a touch of honey for a chewy snack that keeps you going. These bites are packed with fiber and iron. Veggie-packed pizza hearts. Use whole grain pita, tomato sauce, and shredded mozzarella to make a heart-shaped pizza. Add bell peppers for extra vitamin C. All right, it's quiz time. Let's see if you can get this one right. Which vitamin do strawberries provide? Vitamin C or vitamin D? The correct answer is vitamin C. It helps with tissue repair and immune support. What makes yogurt a great ingredient? It's rich in calcium, or it contains iron. Correct answer is it's rich in calcium. Calcium supports strong bones. Why is fiber important in snacks? It provides protein, or it helps digestion. Correct answer is it helps digestion. Fiber supports a healthy digestive system. Did you get it right? Let us know. Which ingredient adds vitamin C to pizza hearts? A. Bell peppers or cheese? Correct answer is bell peppers. Bell peppers are packed with vitamin C. Why do we use whole grain pita for pizza? It's white and soft, or it has fiber. Correct answer is it has fiber. Whole grains contain fiber for digestion. What makes sunflower seed butter a great alternative? It's nut-free and has protein, or it's a fruit. Correct answer is it's nut-free and has protein. Great for those avoiding nuts. What happens if you freeze yogurt-dipped strawberries? They turn into a cool and creamy treat, or they turn spicy. Correct answer is they turn into a cool and creamy treat. Freezing makes them extra refreshing. If you got it right, you're a genius. If not, no worries, stick around for more fun quizzes coming up. What do oats provide in energy bites? Calcium or fiber and energy? Correct answer is fiber and energy. Oats keep you full and energized. Why are raspberries a good choice for snacks? They have fiber and vitamin C, or they are salty. Correct answer is they have fiber and vitamin C, great for digestion and immune support. What ingredient in nut-free energy bites helps with iron? Sunflower seed butter or honey? Correct answer is sunflower seed butter. It's iron-rich. And that's a wrap on today's snacktastic adventure. Which Valentine's snack are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with a friend who loves fun food ideas. We'll see you next time for more delicious and balanced bites. Bye for now.